Ladies, gentlemen, and cubers, what is up? We have a cubing video today, suggested by a subscriber. Thank you for the suggestion. How to find out which corner you popped on your 2x2. Sometimes you're just gonna pop corners, you'll be doing a speed solve, you'll be like, woo, and then you'll just be like, oh, by accident, okay? And that happens to us all, even the professionalist of professional cubers, which I am not. I think that has happened a few times too. Now, in fact, we don't necessarily need to know exactly which corner we popped. We just need to get it into a recognizable OLL pattern, and that can honestly be pretty easy to do. So let's just pop a corner, okay? And then let's scramble the cube up. Okay. Totally scrambled. And now I'm just gonna actually just do a normal solve. So I see I have my red side, right? Which I did normally, as if I was doing the Ortega method. And now I see this is not a recognizable pattern for the opposite colored face. So I would probably just wanna pop that back in. Or, if I really wanted to, I could, just pop that out and make a recognizable OLL pattern for myself. This is the F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime case. And that's that. And then, you'll notice I'll do my PBL. And we can solve our cube. Now, let's do that one more time. This time I'll pop this corner. Okay? So going normally, I'll solve the white side, because why not? Okay, so now I have I'm seeing a pattern with yellow, right? And if you know your OLL patterns, then for the Ortega method for 2x2 cubing, which is what I'm assuming that you're asking about, because most non-professional 2x2 cubers will use that. So I pop any corner to get myself into a recognizable OLL position, or I can just pop all of the corners and just get myself into a yellow side solved. And then you can just finish solving the cube by doing your PBL algorithms. So I really hope that helps. Not much else to say. Tell me if you want to do a follow-up on that. Just solve a side and then just pop all the corners on the opposite side. Or if you want to put it into a different, OLL pattern that you can do that too. But just pop all the corners on the other side till they're solved, and then you can just do your PBLs and you'll be done. So I hope that is enjoyed, and I'm actually going to go get a cookie, so goodbye.